Birds are not just beautiful creatures to admire. They are integral members of our planet's ecosystems, playing vital roles in pollination, seed dispersal, and pest control. Birds are more than just beautiful creatures. They are guardians of the sky, indicators of environmental health, and symbols of the interconnectedness of all living things. Their presence, or absence, can tell us a great deal about the health of our planet. When bird populations decline, it's a sign that something is amiss in the environment. Habitat loss, climate change, and pollution are all taking a toll on bird populations around the world. By protecting birds and their habitats, we are also protecting ourselves and the future of life on Earth.